In 2 days' time, I am leaving England to head off around the world, backpacking for a year. It's time to get excited. Hi, I'm Stu, and this is my YouTube channel proving that backpacking is not just for the younger generation, but for any age. And I'm proof of that as I'm going out in 2 days' time at the age of 54 around the world for a year. My last backpacking adventure ended about 5 months ago, and I came back to my hometown of Darlington in England. And the reason I came back was because I ran out of money. However, since I've been back, I have worked to get enough money to go back out. Unfortunately, I have not met my target, but I have a flight in 2 days' time and I need to be on it. Now that flight is taking me to Australia, and that is the start of my year-long adventure. I have no plans of where I'm going to after Australia. I think it might be the South Pacific Islands, or who knows, Southeast Asia is yet to be worked out. So for my next journey, you need to subscribe so you can explore the world with me and hopefully give you that bit of incentive to get you out backpacking as well. With less than 48 hours to go before I say goodbye to the grey skies of England and the winter and autumn that is approaching, which I'm not too keen on, I think I need to go home and start packing. I'm now going to head back, and I'm going to just give you an insight into what I'll be taking for a year, and if there are any other backpackers that are out there that are thinking about doing the same, give you an idea of what you should take, because most backpackers that I've met along the way in all my journeys will tell me that they've overpacked, and most stuff you've taken they've not needed. So let's go. I'm now back home and I'm about to start packing. There are three things that you need to take. The rest is surplus. Number one is your passport. Your passport is the one that gets you into countries and out. Without this, if you lose it, you are stuck. The second one is your wallet with your bank cards. Now I'm clever enough to have 2 bank cards in case one gets stolen, lost, whatever. The other bank card will be hidden amongst my backpack that no one will find out. And the third one is obviously your mobile phone. This is your lifeline to keep in touch with family, friends. It also has all your photographs for your amazing journey that you're going to be having, and it has got all your bank details on. So yeah, them 3 things are the most important things you need to have at all times. I will be taking 2 backpacks with me. You've got the large one, which will be carrying all my clothes, and then I have a smaller one which will go on the front of my body, and this is the one that I carry at all times when I'm on buses, trains, aeroplanes, and the other one is separate to me in different compartment. That small one will be the one that will carry all my important stuff. So on my bed right now is all the clothing I will be taking with me for the next year. So starting off with t-shirts, there is 7 of them. Shorts, 5. Dress shorts, 1. 2 pairs of chinos. 2 short sleeve shirts. 2 running shorts, because I'm going to be doing some running. A running top. I have a light jacket, long sleeves for if there's any coldness in the air. A light sleeve, what do you call it? A light jumper for, again, if it's getting a bit cold. And that is it. That is all I need for a year. You might think that this is not enough to travel with, but wherever you go in the world, there are shops, there are clothing stores. So you are able to buy cheap stuff whichever country you go to. Moving on to toiletries, toiletry bag which holds my soap, toothpaste, toothbrush, shampoo, and already packed in the bag is 6 months worth of contact lenses. So if you need any medicines that you know that'll be hard to get hold of wherever you go, take your medicine, make sure you've got enough to last you. But normal tablets like your anodins, paracetamols, you can get if you're over there. So I have seen people who've got massive first aid kits that they've never used. When you think about all your electronic stuff like your phone, you'll have maybe a laptop or an iPad or something like that. You need your power leads, but you also need an international plug. This one works in most countries, but more importantly, it's got USB ports. So if you've got a hostel that is not up to date with their technology and does not have any USB ports anywhere, this is quite handy. I always take with me a knife, a fork, and a spoon, but more importantly, a small spoon, teaspoon, because I'm a coffee drinker and I need that teaspoon to get the exact amount of coffee going into my cup. And most hostels don't have them. And also a corkscrew. As a wine drinker, I do like my red wine every now and again. And every single hostel I've ever been to never have one. So if you've got a cork bottle, instead of digging at that cork to try and get it out, take one of these. So much easier. And if you can, get a cheap old mobile phone as a spare. If you followed me in my Central America adventures, you'll know that I got robbed at gunpoint for my iPhone. If you want to watch the video, you can see me getting robbed on CCTV, which is hilarious. But I had a spare mobile phone just in case, and that helped me get through the next few days as I could contact people. With banks getting more security conscious day by day, if you have anything that you need to get into your banking, like I've got a card reader for my bank, various bits of paperwork, take them with you, keep them separate, keep them in a plastic bag so it doesn't get damaged. So if you have any problems with your banking, then you'll be sorted out. And my one true luxury that I take with me for every single adventure is this. It's a big towel. This will take up a lot of room in my backpack, but it is worth it. Nothing better than having a shower and having not just a little tiny towel, but big massive one to dry you off. It also doubles up for going to the beach and lying on the perfect sand. I'm now going to pack all this lot away into the two backpacks. I'm only doing this 2 days beforehand, which I usually do anyway, which gives me 24 hours to think of anything else that I need to get. So I might have to go down the shops, whatever. And I know that when I leave in 2 days' time, I'll have everything I need for a full year. So that is it. Packing nearly finished. I have 48 hours left to go, and then I'll be leaving Darlington to start the journey of a lifetime. If you want to follow me on my amazing backpacking journey, hit that subscribe button, tick that bell in the corner, and you'll see everywhere I go over the next 12 months. If you thought this video was entertaining, informative, educational, press that like button. But until next time, when I'm getting on that plane, bye bye for now.